when we left off, we had just added a layer on top of our base image, and we lowered the opacity and changed the blending mode. Now, I'm going to show you how to cut part of it out and change exactly what part of the top layer is left. I'm going to decide where I want this top layer to be placed because I saw these lines in the tree, and it's kind of interesting the way they go up and down and then spread, every which way, diagonal, side to side, and it feels like it could be like something that wraps around a face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut part of this top layer out, and I'm going to kind of mask so that all I have is the top layer on my face, but not the whole image. So I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to choose cut out. And in this case, notice all your tools down here at the bottom. Auto works really well if you have high contrast in the image, but like in this case, I didn't, so it took the entire thing away. I don't recommend it. Smart is good if you have a clear-cut area that you want to do, except it limits you because you can't adjust the brush size and you can't adjust the hardness of the brush. So the best one that I feel works is basic. And believe me, we're anything but basic, friends. If I'm going to take away, then I'm going to choose the eraser tool for minus. I can change the size of my brush, bigger or smaller, by just sliding up and down. And I could choose the hardness of the brush. In this case, I really want it to blend, so I have the hardness down to 0. All right, so I'm going to begin by erasing part of my layer. Oh, it's very important for me to show you this. If you're not seeing both layers right now, up here in the top right, you're going to see the icon for the layer stack. Tap that, and then you'll be able to see the bottom layer. Sorry, should have said that before. All right, so I'm going to continue erasing part of my image. And when I get near the edge of my face, maybe I have to make my brush a little bit smaller so that I can get into those small areas. And feel free to zoom in while you're doing this too. I think that that really helps. So I'm going to continue to erase. And then if you want to zoom back out, 2-finger swipe. Sorry, 2-finger pinch. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Actually, I'm thinking, we're doing this together, friends. Actually, I'm thinking I kind of want that texture on my neck. So what do? I want to undo that, or I want to restore it. If I choose reset, it's going to redo the whole thing. Or what I could do is just choose the add brush and bring that texture back in. So that's pretty cool that that's an option. Yeah, I want that because it's showing skin, so I definitely want that back. Okay. All right, I'm liking this, I'm digging it. You're starting to get the idea of this. So now I'm going to press check and see what this looks like all together. I can make one last adjustment here by tapping that top layer, play with the blend mode, and see if there's another. No, yeah, for sure. I like difference the best, I think. Wait, one more thing I'm going to try. Multiply. Nope, difference wins. Okay. So now I'm set. I like this. I think it's interesting. Definitely something I want you guys to consider playing with here. And then when you're all done, you can send out your image. Okay?